So shopping local to us is so important because it supports families like ours. And the trickle-down effect from that is tremendous. There are a lot of businesses that have really struggled for the last year. There's a lot of businesses that voluntarily closed. They were hurting and they looked after the community in a way that was very difficult for them individually to do by closing for those couple of days. Lots of people that have health issues are ordering online, that type of thing, so they don't have to go out into the community and risk coming into contact with someone. If that's a concern for them, then we're happy to do whatever we can do in order to keep them, fed and healthy.